In this video, you'll learn how to add users to Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your team effectively within the platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoho homepage. Look for the section labeled Explore All Products. Once you locate it, click on it to access the various Zoho offerings. You should see a variety of products displayed on the screen. Next, find and select CRM from the list of products. This will direct you to the Zoho CRM dashboard. Ensure that you are on the correct page before proceeding to the next step. After that, locate the gear icon labeled Setup in the upper right corner of your CRM dashboard. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your CRM account. Once you are on the settings page, look for the option labeled Users in the left-hand menu. Click on Users to view the current list of users associated with your CRM account. Now, click on the button labeled New User to initiate the process of adding a new team member. This will open a new form where you can input the user's details. In the new user form, click on the field labeled First Name. You will enter the first name of the new user. Ensure that this field is filled out accurately before moving on. Next, click on the field labeled Last Name. Enter the last name of the user in this section. Double check for spelling errors to maintain accurate records. After entering the last name, proceed to click on the field labeled Email. You will need to input the user's email address, which is essential for their account activation and communication. Type in the email address of the new user in the provided space. Make sure to confirm that the email is valid and correctly formatted. Now click on the drop-down labeled Role. This allows you to assign a specific role to the new user within your CRM. Choose the appropriate role that reflects the user's responsibilities. Next, you will select a manager for the new user. Click on the option that allows you to choose a manager from the list of existing users. This step is important for establishing reporting structures. After selecting the manager, click on the section labeled Profile. This will allow you to assign a profile to the new user, determining their access and permissions within the CRM. Select Administrator from the profile options. This will grant the new user comprehensive access rights, enabling them to manage settings and users effectively. Finally, click on the button labeled Save to complete the addition of the new user. A confirmation message should appear indicating that the user has been successfully added to your CRM. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.